Snacking. It's not just about satisfying a rumbling stomach between meals. It's a realm of opportunity, a canvas for creativity, and a bridge between taste and wellness. In a world that's constantly on the move, where time is precious and health is paramount, the way we snack has taken on a new significance. Picture this. You're on a mission to improve your health, shed a few pounds, and infuse your life with energy. You're making conscious choices about what you eat, hitting the gym or your favorite workout spot regularly, and embracing a lifestyle that aligns with your goals. But there's a key element that often goes overlooked in this journey: snacking. Yes, those between meal munchies have a significant role to play in your overall health and fitness equation. Today, we're diving into the world of snacking, but not just any snacking. We're talking about snacks that are not only yummy but also great for your weight loss journey and giving you sustained energy throughout the day. It's all about snacking with purpose, snacking that fuels your weight loss efforts and sustains your vitality. In this era of fast-paced lives and countless food options, it's easy to fall into the trap of mindless eating or succumb to the allure of tempting yet empty-calorie snacks. But fear not, because armed with the right knowledge and a dash of culinary creativity, you can turn snacking into an ally that propels you toward your wellness goals. You'll discover that snacking is not just about appeasing hunger. It's about celebrating the art of mindful eating. And yes, we'll even sprinkle in a touch of humor and uniqueness to keep your engagement levels high. The power of snacking. Before we unveil these incredible snacks, let's put an end to the notion that snacking is a no-go zone. Truth be told, strategic snacking can actually rev up your metabolism and keep your energy levels soaring. You know, snacking isn't the enemy of weight loss. In fact, strategic snacking can boost your metabolism and keep your energy levels up. We live in a world where convenience often trumps health consciousness, and snacking is no exception. The notorious vending machines, sugary pastries at the coffee shop, and that ever-enticing bag of chips in arm's reach can make maintaining a healthy snacking routine seem like an uphill battle. But as with any endeavor, a solid foundation of knowledge is your greatest weapon. Understanding the role of snacking, choosing nutrient-dense options, and finding joy in the process can transform your snacking routine from a potential pitfall into a powerhouse of positive change. But remember, it's all about making smart choices. So snack munchers, here goes our first tasty treat: Crunchy Chickpea Delight. Our first snack is a true winner, the Crunchy Chickpea Delight. These little legumes are packed with protein and fiber, perfect for keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Just pop them in the oven with a sprinkle of your favorite spices, and voila, a crispy, savory snack that'll keep you fueled. All you need for your healthy delight. Snacking with a twist. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast looking to amplify your snacking game or someone just beginning to embrace the world of nutritious nibbles, this journey has something for everyone. It's about making informed choices without sacrificing flavor and finding joy in the process. Now, let's shake things up with a snack that's both fun and nutritious. Drumroll, please. Apple cookies. Who said cookies can't be healthy? Our apple cookies are a delightful twist on the classic. Slice up some juicy apples, spread a layer of almond butter, and sprinkle with a dash of granola and raisins. It's like a party in your mouth, and your waistline will thank you. Nutrient-packed goodness. So, why is snacking important in your journey to weight loss and sustained vitality? First and foremost, snacking can be a strategic tool to rev up your metabolism. Contrary to the idea that eating less leads to weight loss, spreading your meals and snacks throughout the day keeps your metabolism humming, which can aid in burning calories efficiently. Smart snacking can also prevent those energy crashes that often leave you reaching for unhealthy quick fixes. By choosing snacks that balance carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, you're providing your body with a steady stream of fuel to power through your day. Let's talk about a snack that's not just delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Nut Butter Banana Bites. Behold the Nut Butter Banana Bites. Slice a banana into bite-sized pieces, slather on a dollop of your favorite nut butter, and sprinkle with chia seeds for a delightful crunch. These bites provide a balanced combo of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, an absolute winner for sustained energy. On-the-go goodies. Life can get busy, but that's no excuse to compromise on your snacking game. But first, let's address the elephant in the room: the notion that healthy snacks are bland, boring, or unsatisfying. This couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, the world of snacking is brimming with options that tantalize your taste buds while supporting your well-being. From savory bites to sweet indulgences, from crunchy to creamy, the spectrum of snacking possibilities is vast and exciting. Sweet potato nachos. Swap out the traditional tortilla chips for thinly sliced sweet potatoes. Roast them until crispy, then pile on black beans, diced tomatoes, avocado slices, and a sprinkle of grated cheese. Pop them back in the oven to melt the cheese, and you got a snack that's wholesome, satisfying, and oh so flavorful. Sweet and savory harmony. So, as we embark on this exploration of snacking for weight loss and sustained vitality, remember that every bite is an opportunity to nourish your body, boost your energy, and savor life's flavors. Embracing a new perspective on snacking, one that empowers you to make better choices, indulge intelligently, and discover the remarkable impact of a well-balanced bite. Last but not least, striking the perfect balance between sweet and savory with our final snack, presenting you with hummus stuffed mini peppers. Experiencing a flavor explosion with our hummus stuffed mini peppers. These little bites are not only colorful, but also rich in vitamins and minerals. Fill mini bell peppers with your favorite hummus, and for an extra kick, add a sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes. It's like a party for your palate. Consider this treat a well-mannered gift from us, and accept it wholeheartedly by telling us what was your experience tasting it. And there you have it, our top 5 healthy snack ideas for weight loss and sustained energy. Remember, snacking should be enjoyable and beneficial. As we wrap up our journey through the world of snacking for weight loss and sustained vitality, it's clear that the path to wellness is paved with delightful choices. We traverse the realms of taste and nutrition, uncovering the secrets to smart snacking that harmoniously blend flavor and fitness. But this isn't just the end of a journey. It's the beginning of a lifestyle that values both health and pleasure. Remember, the essence of smart snacking lies in mindfulness. Each snack is a chance to make a positive impact on your well-being, to nourish your body with intention, and to honor the symbiotic relationship between what you eat and how you feel. The wisdom you've gained about balancing nutrients, choosing quality ingredients, and infusing joy into your culinary choices is a treasure that will serve you well on your ongoing journey toward vibrant health. As you venture forth from this exploration, remember that every bite counts. Whether it's a handful of crunchy almonds, a creamy yogurt parfait, or a medley of colorful fruits, each choice is a declaration of self-care. So let's continue to choose wisely, savor passionately, and nourish our bodies and spirits with every delicious moment. And now, armed with these delicious options, you're all set to snack smarter. Thank you for joining us on this journey to elevate your snacking game. If these insights have ignited a newfound appreciation for the art of smart snacking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy munching, as well as turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any video. Until we meet again, may your snacks be nourishing, your energy boundless, and your journey toward well-being invigorating. Here's to a life well snacked.